Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kyrielle, and today I'm back with another hair video. I don't know what I'm doing to my hair though, but y'all already know because y'all see the thumbnail. But anyways, I need to wash my hair. The growth is real, y'all. Like, my hair has been growing so much. I'm excited. Let me just go ahead and wash my hair, then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna talk about the hairstyle that I'm doing. So it's currently 8 p.m. and my hair is washed. I put it up in this bun because I had to cook dinner. So it's definitely completely dry. Instead of putting weave in, I'm just gonna style my natural hair and do it up really cute. But right now I'm about to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using Veet, which is the same exact thing as Nair. I only have a little bit left in here, but hopefully it's enough to do my brows because your girl needs to get her brows waxed, okay? This is a very scary ass process, I'm not gonna lie, because it's like, what if I take off too much? But this isn't my first time doing this to my brows, so hopefully they come out cute again. I cannot do this on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back because, girl, wish me luck. I just took off my whole eyebrow. I just took off my whole, look, they look so different. Don't even look. I gotta go back and take off more hair over here because I damn near took off my whole eyebrow over here, but I filled it in with a pencil. So you can't really tell that much, but I mean, she's giving wax, but she's also, without this makeup on, she's giving almost bald. Like, I took off my tail, bitch. I took off my tail. I took off too much. I put too much fucking Veet on. I'm about to fix this eyebrow. I'm about to go ahead and fix this eyebrow, then I'm gonna come back, y'all. Oh my gosh, this shit is scary. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so I changed my shirt, but it's the same day, and I don't know how I feel about my eyebrows, but they're done. I'm doing a little get ready with me on TikTok, so the lashes are done, okay? The lashes and the brows are done. These are just strip lashes, even though they give lash extensions. I already know, girl. I already know, yeah. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and style my hair. I don't know, I want to just put some braids in the front and then just do my normal curly hair routine, but we're gonna see like what it's giving. Like, okay, I feel really cute already, but y'all look at my hair. This braid, I don't really like it, but it's cute. All together, it's cute. So my hair is done. I did my curly hair routine. I should have showed y'all, but I didn't. Anyways, now I'm about to do my nails and then go to sleep because it's currently 12 a.m. I've been getting myself together all day, like cleaning the house, doing my own little maintenance on myself. Like, cleaning really makes me feel good too, not just the physical maintenance, but cleaning really helps with my mental. Like, it really gets me in a really good mindset, and you feel me? So if anybody out there needs like motivation, or you just don't know why you're down, get up and clean up. I bet you're gonna feel much better. But anyways, I'm about to do my nails, y'all. I got some press-ons, baby. I've been the press-on queen for a couple years now. I hate going to the nail salon. It's just like a waste of, not really a waste of time, but it's just like, I don't like waiting. I don't like the time it takes to go to the nail salon, wait, and then get your stuff done, because it'd be like 2 workers and 50 customers. I absolutely hate that, y'all. So I started doing my own nails, and it saves me so much money, number 1. And number 2, your girl is just an introvert. I don't really like a lot of people like that. So it works out for me altogether. But I'm about to do my nails right now. Hey y'all, so I had to come to the store and get some new press-ons because I already needed more glue, but I wanted to get new press-ons because why not? You know what I mean? So I'm about to go in this store, get me some press-ons, go back to the house. I hate I had to go out to eat with my man without my nails done, but it's okay. Your girl can get cute, and I'm about to do my nails. So yeah, let me go. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I literally just wasted damn baking soda right before. I'm using these nails. They are super cute, like really cute. And I don't really like to use the glue that it comes with because it's not really that strong. I use this glue, actually. I'm really interested in seeing if this method is gonna work. So I have my, what is this called? Baking soda, right? Baking soda, yeah. So I have my baking soda, and I'm going to use this little, I wish I had a smaller brush, but I'm going to be using this brush to pick it up and put it on my nails. I'm really hoping that it works. I'm scared. These nails are so fucking fire. They really cute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, I heard that the baking soda helps the glue a lot more stickier. Like, it makes the glue last longer, which will make your nails not come off easily. Usually my press-ons last me a good 3 weeks, so I'm really interested in seeing if these are going to make if this method is going to make my nails last longer. Look how cute that is. Okay, so I think I like the way that fits on that nail. Yeah, so I'm gonna put powder on first, then the glue. Right, that makes sense, right? Yeah, I didn't look up a video on doing this, so don't quote me. Like, so I'm picking up on a brush, and then I'm going to put it on my which nail? Okay, this nail. I'm gonna just sprinkle it on this nail, child. I'm scared. Okay, it's gonna be messy. I can't help that. Like, it's just gonna have to be messy. I'm gonna put my glue. Gotta hurry up because I heard it dry quick. Hold on, y'all. I think something's happening. So I usually like to just press down on the nail for like 30 seconds. As hard as I can, really. Because I don't want them to go nowhere. These are my nails. Yeah. Giving cute, okay? Giving cute. I love these. This is a really cute color. It's not like a fall or winter color, but who cares? Like, girl, it's Christmas. It's blue. Get out my business. But yeah, so I went ahead and I took that hairstyle out, girl. So I did that hairstyle just to go out to eat, and then now, yeah, I took it out. But yeah, so the only thing I didn't do was take y'all with me to get my toes done, but I'll do that next time, okay? I'll see y'all later. I'm about to go eat because I'm hungry.